Newero TV.
Kathoshe mwanya muno kio mutegere Wero TV no tubokona kanya gakwatana batu kimobango yonkombo cia mithenga yura yukuyera ntuko chiwembeti ya Jumapili kwambira thaa 12 na dakika 45 kana wenda 6:45 pm na tutierito kwithira atukiariria mantu yayo tumiribwa ndawa Chembogita na inya kurwana na cio ibo kendo tira kaunti ya Meru ni kwithira ikiagira ki ndawa ichi Chembogita ntuko yarwa retwe na CEO wa Alcohol Board kaunti ya Meru urokethira akiona kanyaga tutariria abura thera kaunti ya Meru karakari kimantu ya Nchobi ndege watho na mibango yawe owarethira kiyukiria akanya kau ira eneo. Karibu sana CEO.
Marita yakwa ni Gitonga Kubu, Chief Executive Officer Meru County Alcoholic Drinks Control Board. Mantune ya Nchobi kambu ekairi wa urambua na ngabanoro kaberebera atenda kuigwa mbua buu, lakini ukweli utaitwa ukweli. Meru ito amithire tangu mutuma twethingia wa governor ayukia uongozi kwa governor. Meru yariri kwa dump site ya Nchobi yonthe Ibango. Nchobi is ya illicit brews within our villages irariri kuingia mono tontwene thirikari nembere ya Meru County Government itawatanaira nona ukanagu itari na wendani buboya na thirikari ya National Government. Na minya National Government neo ina polisi ya kuwatana na nibo na kinya court ite devolved polisi no utawata mtu no to ikiriji kimuntu court, so batari na good will mbeya na ntuba. Now when His Excellency Reverend Mutuma Twethingia took over power, na reko na wina inde kumba kwethwa CEO wa Meru County Alcoholic Drinks Control Board, the first thing that we did ni kuleta both the arms of the government together, national government and the county government. Ndirarwa governor advised me kumbe kuthithia musemanio your national government and the county government. We did musemanio ya na county commissioner, county commander, CCIO, our sub-county administration police commander, or our DCCs, or our OSPDs, na our sub-county administrators, plus aritingwe bonde ba Alcohol Board. We really twakarire karibu ntuko yonde na tutongoretwe ni CEC wetu Dr. Rukunga. We agreed on modalities ya kuritangui turangri na especially sana county commissioner. Na county commissioner Mr. Ouma ndi muntu uri dedicated kurwa na illicit brew na kurwa na ntora bonde bakuna mawatho ya wegia kugwendia Nchobi na bra bonde barani bonde alcoholic outlets. It was agreed that the county commissioner a control terror our administration and national government, county commander no control police, CCI no control to have CID, na our administration police no control to have administration police, so that all of us tuomba kuritangwe tore amwe kenda Meru kugia sanity no Meru ni rari kwa ndam site warantura akua. Na so far twende to watana itana turite ngwibo boya muno manto illicit brew okenda nkuoniena pas yanto abaraba ikitu koti na nara kuonde na ndensi mbigi desi nyangitwe. Like I can give an example kure muntu rari na like an industry where majengo we destroyed it na totura Nchobi mbige muno kunto muntu atumirite millions and millions of money kuthithia industry wewe kuthithagia Nchobi ndegeni watho nende county commissioner na sukumite machifu bawe chief bongo ngo basokiria nkatho ba Meru mbere buru kabisa kambwe mbere buru machifu ya tirari tangwe but for now utiri chief nyo mweka na assistant chief momboti antusokiria nkatho no ntwene ndina ndata kuonthe every day nikuona bondera otura Nchobi noraba pambanite na Nchobi bubwega na kuwata antu baika sekotini. For example nyana anabumite kwetu especially Mutuati sub county kuri ndeni ya remete yeta wa sauri yako, lakini machifu ya nao kuma nandi kuma county commissioner ari utighten the belt ibombe te kurwana ndeni sisi yongwa si remete si agara akasiri untouchable na kinya batu na tunjirenge tural kombu na tukwatania twitwinde na kinya kuri nyenge yari kaelo majengo yao nabo mujwa narudishia machifu wote shukrani sana nende mubango wetu nibujo wakarire u tuletekanira na county commissioner na county commander twatu karanthi every month twatu kuranagia ki county commander tukera na mistake ino tukona tuketha tukona na mistake ire nikionto sobije ngiamiru niki no tukurita wewe ni CEO alikomburi na staff wewe ni county commissioner na staff wewe kuma DC wa mandisi kweta madio kuma ma chief na assistant chief kana ni county commander na sub county commander asibawe up to munturon askaruron group constable tozoka rutere rurungi na kwenda investigation na kuwa tukainibo mtosia IT na have investigated kuona na ran sobie kuma kana ore kweyaja na kinya batu anto bal komburi jirenge we also doing some investigations na we kambaria itumbete kwa hata sobie ndeni watho ere ibango embige mono na so far kinya we wini ukenda kuthiurunka mirueji wona kethira second generation lika kethira kuririkuo so far right now tiyo yes and I can attest that na twinde tuwatarete na county commissioner every month tukara ande ku review what is going on. Like this month we are going to sit on 28th tuone nini atokinya tukuiriti tu ngoto kwa percentage ri tokinya area sira sio tu intel tukerwa areas hii ni sasa na illicit brew hapa na pale tukaona kama tumendili nazo kama imeisha ama haijaisha kenda tumia kuria chief yuri na hata chobie kuthithia kwaku no ntwene wini kan kwireu chobie tumba kurua in a location or in a sub location or in a location in a division in a district ira tuita sub county DC atikumenya ACC atikumenya chief atikumenya na assistant chief atikumenya either nto yoba kunikila manto ya secondly kwena muntu na tutuma na tureal kombodi muntu tuita sub county liquor officer kinya wake menya manto ya no ntone that is within his or a sub county na niyo ngwira ira andikirine county government ya Meru eta kwita atia eta kurita naona nara kukurema abati kurita because muntu rare ansara bukiri supervisor weka we CEO woni abati kwe yakambira woni maybe mayengo ya kundema kwere kwita chief kwere kwita ACC kwere kwira DC tuwatani kukurema now au ni nyonjo kairia mantu now I go to the county commissioner kamwira officer okuyo na utwa ethic atikwenda kuritania ngwina bange the way we agreed etoritango eta amoti agency na sometimes rimo itu involvement bakiara iba caps eno toba nsobira nzo suspecti no toba toral kombudu tema sini cha kuthima nsobitu ansobie nembe not unless kuona na medho na kuo utoba kwa nsobi nembe na medho now whenever we suspect the second generation lika tukona tekete bui we normally batu tuna act yatone tikirasia tuire muntu rongama na nsobie jeku tueta antoba caps antoba kiarai bena batugomba kuthima na ndi tuona nsobie ni ndeni watho twawikia kotini ukayukirwa atu ya kiwatho
so no kwe o kila part kila area na mulo amiri roba ya
area sia tora ko kari wini every sub county na nyira si divide ro nyiri tena mandisi right now like Bori West and Bori East kuko anda kwena sub county liquor officer umwe no kwibwa na every region ni oitumiete enforcement officer umwe like Igembe region Igembe kwa kuthatu Igembe North Igembe Central and Igembe South kwena enforcement officer umwe kuo okuwata si officers buba ikuo like mutu at sub county in office oyo la sub county in office oyo to ya central na divide into two kwena Kiengo sub county in office oyo na the other upper part ira na tiro na ndi ita Igembe Central in office owe to eta Igembe South because there is a municipality mawa municipal kwena officer within the municipality then outside na kuko ngena kwena office okwo then by an enforcement officer no bawati ngwe urokwelewa sheria saidi kuomba kuthitanga mtu kwamba kuandika charge sheet ikiria OCS inomba mekera muri ndaomba ikia mtu kotini wow Tigania region to yakuna kwena officers wa Tigania East kwena Tigania Central mikido na kwa Bampuru na kwena Tigania West no kumbiwa kwena officer bathatu na kwena enforcement officer okwo to ya imenti kwena Bori West Bori East kwena imenti East na kwena imenti North na kwena municipality together ile tuna officer within imenti North together tuna officer bairi o imenti East na within municipality tweta centralment kwina the lower part ile mujwa nara na kwina officer na the upper part ni Githongo na ino officer wetu county legal officer. Tweta southment we have 3 umwe kurumira municipality yonku bunge ulitero mitungu na onge no side ya igoji kwanza ibana nonge waboketa that is how they are. Ibi on talk bange kwira every sub county nendi tukaigwa nsobie kwa ku if we get intel no to itu daitu ni bobete nyanto ba makanisa sana mbete ke ma pastors ma bishops nyaonge to ba rombo tete nkayera nsobi ya ire affect ni anto betu ibo ko affect ano kumnya bishop kabisa buru baka uma ni bombo twa ukweli na mapasta ya uma ima bishop ya titurita mta yongo ya ora basi ta bishop ka bara morongo sibu ya twa ta bishop mo matema bishop ukadi bishop teta school of theology no eriku ateta burata ata kunurono no lakini ajita bishop nenda tu kanisa bongwa gombe to wetu aya the only people within the community itumbe ta kupata sino tumbe beta within almost all the sub counties nkiara nabo ini kan kuire wewe kurwana nchobi ndeni watho ti lazima maita yonthe ori yake media na woni ntio kuswa PR no woni bua action speaks louder than words ntio wiwe to swa PR maita yonthe ya twite ku together nchobi to awata kana to awata nyabangi together the police officers the maita yonthe kamwita wini yo na wero TV omurike utije bakaruga karaka murika kuri baraba murika babute murika nende barabara kuibenda kumurikwa muno PR ndone even the other day bakeri kwa batu tiribu tukuthithia but sincerely mumiru wengwa no kumenya no na kuibo wengwa kuri butu muthithiritie na antora baru ansobi ndeni watho bongo kumenya ngwira tubaritirite no twene miru tweta illicit mburiu kinyatore mo mi control 100% amwe na inye murunguro turamoyo na twena gavana wetu reverend wa uma reverend wa rongo reverend wa uma his excellency Reverend Mutuma twethinge mi reverend wa uma na mwari wa uma na mukiri murungu tukaritwe na bishop tukaritwe na awakava Reverend Mutuma twethinge na amona inye murungu uraturomba na batu na twe ituika kamwa vile tuwesavyo na itwatandirite na county commissioner na the rest kurwana nsobieje tukomba kurwana mwaka tukinyithie 80% I can assure you by the end of maybe next year mweri wa 5 ene au utimu tukera waringi angasobia ngande kuthithia angekorwa mtu angekaenda ikawa yes
aya maybe kwithire tuwe for example ni ko identify kana nkona ntorera nkoria
yes
nchobie kuingia muno ni uchumbura ana bakurira kwa na inkwenda iyo kinyela officers baibo muntu ageta kona mbere kenda bo kinyethelia report or what happened
we ni okethro tumbo kinya umbona oni na nto bengi muno ndi baetenya namba je kwa thimu okethro tumbo mbona kuna officer that sub county kuna officer una atura sub county name the moment we to muone kinya getho iki no to ene remote tenda ku disclose manto anto ba tangwenso obi visit the also dangerous people not all of them but most of them we re ni watho age second generation liga na illicit brew most of them are criminals sorry to say so no wait na arinyo to kororo nao na kinya we wamba twira to kwa disclose your life is also at risk na ndo to thithie anto beto na bibaso yete oath of weta bure weka secrecy otuoto oyo wini weto mwira kwa itonga ikukurua nsobi na akwira antu amenya wete nyuno bwita ninya una witho weto amoneria no akeya akambira na hatu tukaita at the level tukawatana na county commissioner then twete timu yetu kenda tuona ora tukomba kuritango giu na okaga office ora kana kona tekanya office omba kutai ko liundi na anto ba tafadhali kuja kwa ofisi yangu hapa headquarter ama jaribu hata utafute namba yangu ya simu nipigie or maybe unaweza enda hata uambie hata OSPD uambie DC there is a sub county administrator kuna ward administrator ukifikizia hao ujumbe mimi hiyo ujumbe itanifikia na mimi nitatake action together with the county commissioner and the county commander and the rest yes
tukumenende kiencho bingi itia kura dukene
yes
nate gukarakari sofa county ne ya Meru nate wethira status ya nchobi karakari
sofa oni status in nchobi dai
including
night clubs, including hotels, including general retail bars, and wines and spirits, both wholesale and retail, and also the distributors and the stockists. So far, baba inge kuri bama barabara bwithirwa under charge. We have normalized everything. Turasokiri mantora yakari. Wines and spirits is ari kurukirwa. Kwa tuka muntu wines and spirits aya license maybe ya ya ai license ya wholesale weta wa mwithira na ndo utumba ku understand license yake ni type iriko weta wa mwithira wene kite stool kwawe na muntu wa wines and spirits are meant for takeaways only weta na ndo kethira muntu wa wines and spirits we kwa wene kite antu bakunywira already we kuma general retail bar ku motel na bamwe bakurira iro ku motel ukethira antu ethira ingire 6 kana 9 uracietekira so wines and spirits masanti by 9 pm muntu ethira ingire wa mwithira na kulukiria ithaithano that one already ni ere night club night outside the stipulated time within the license. Okay, then ndo tukuelewa license yake dhani hotel in general retail hata hiyo nayo tumerudisha hiyo sanity. Mtu wines and spirit if it's meant for takeaway only. Na ito abetere musemania na to abelewethia na ba mutu mbete kuwata bamwe but still ni oba ile tumbete kuingira bara notice but the rest mtu na yato amurandika barua we you won't repeat this mistake again because our governor is excellent reverend mutuma twethingia na turenguye tutikoro biashara si antu bonka biashara itekiri ni watho ni tweri ni anga kabisa mtu rora le maburura urora mathirikari na urara akuinda tu our advice na urora avuru kabisa ara notorious but for those who are betikira se kubangi betikira no kata situira na baetikira ku comply na times yao and over general retail bars general retail bar wherever it is within Meru County ibateri kurura 5 mwanka 11 bamwe barare nabo bakwanjiria gutukurura arukire tainya baise the safe ya hotels nende nabo nyabo ni turombere ku control tumbe to control station you nera tuita compliance ibyo ndo ndite ngare si onda na ile diolonga the whole entire county baki make yanto comply kibuna people have complied 80%. What do they do? Bobo ngeba distributors this time round udire distributor tuka barua kienyeji ura barayo wa kienyeji very open. This time round now mtu ya ndo kwenda kwa distributor baraba kuruna baberu bonde lazima utulete list ya what you will be distributing. Utoba kwa barua open udari uyo ka distributor nsobi what type of nsobi ni ule wetsa ku distribute lazima tuletero mbire woni ndeto ku distribute maybe nsobi ya EMBL can distribute wines and spirit na tukona kedani setekiri na bar tukona nsobi wa tuirira na se to find out kedra caps ni metekireti ke ya raini ba metekireti public hero di ba metekireti so that kena to twena ise time ya kuomba kundila nono twene itwe twena mwarusa no yo mwingi mono na baba na distributors wato kedra mtu distributor ai baro en distribution no weto amode nyake distribute nye iliseti mburiu no twene baro era ye distribution ni watu distribution of alcoholic drinks aterini ileko ati specific ite unga to distribute ileko yes
haya a few months ago ikwari na some mawatho ya iki for example tuwethera ni kirabu gitibaterewe kwa kwina skuru I think ni billboards into ya maybe na tia obangite gutiera mantu yo ndi ya kweta
so far we need ai batu mwa muntu umwe bonde bandikire buboya kende bandikira sia kipindi kye yako na kedani sandera kedra kiyete bondingo baromba bende bandikiriti noro kaiwa ku urongo arisana lamu wesiyo gitonga akubuna arawira urongo so father ai utire kirabu kimo twisie na biothe bya thitangi bikiro bi karibu na school utike kyothe tutatembelea atuita na fit ingari nenya yekwa ingari nengi sionte sel copot complain yake ya kuya tuita school wewe tuita from either from the gate or from penzi school tukadima 300 meters ukadote kwa ni 300 meters hiyo tunafunga iwe ni nani wala nani na tutetekire tebu na inspection hii tete dhai kwanza tukwenda 300 meters kwanza ni ora sheria ni act ni ya 300 meters kwanza ni watu yetanya zaidi no tuene batu etote kwenda anaba batu yeta viongozi bya ruju mwana athuko ni chobi na muntu no tote muingaira tumwira utikoro ndi chobi kabisa what we does as an alcohol board na we desi yo ngweta tuona walo kwena skuru to akwira tafadhali tu kwa nafasi relocate go and look for a premise no tote ako the license muntu wewe we need to go license to license premise not to license to akwira relocate na license were ku oya tu ya tu watu you increase only 2000 ira ita change of user no nere kuma from place maybe tu okuri yara gitoro yakuri wines and spirit gitu turaingire juice ya lekene na gitoro primary okrosi barabara itana se 300 meters yana se 200 I think 287 tu kuingira muntu tu amwire relocate na relocate ya mkutano na this days nyaka kinyake yombere iko ya mbere kwa ya kwanza nditire na anta na customer ndiko ya mkutano ndiko ya within municipality I'm getting a lot of customers na niko with the sales simbeya ndipo tu ramto na tumuri ase license ingi license wero itiri twakuritana ka ora twa wiki ya twaro kon atu kona ni ayeja but so far now alkobundie thai uinde CEO na nikankuwa officer kwa kana no ndote officer wenka kiomba gwita ku license weka ki remember inspection you with us ni kintu kita wa sub county inspection committee ila ithero chairman yoyo ari sub county administrator iketha yina secretary yoyo kawe officer uro sub county wero the sub county lika officer together twina public health sub county public health officer together twina DCC from the national government and the OSPD from the national government bo bakulu wasiwa kirabu kiki kubwa premisine kubwa right now turagwitwo were na ande twe county commissioner county commander CEO those three people na director no wa health tuwire utogwa if kuke yako ya kirabu kikulala mikiro within sub county yenu kigoro kete 300 meters na twathima tuone ni uma and to on the sub county inspection committee yonde ka yokino disciplinary action ino tupatwire ni ate bakuru karukiri skuru ke thani ka bari blind kana ke thani ate bakarakari kana ni bibi aba indire katika jukie piti bathima bona kedra skuru ke thanga premise yetu kedero kwena skuru bona kedra kwa ni 300 meters no tone manto ya licensing te ya only one individual tutiko na mbulimu so kake mtu umwe ilo kuiwa kintu ke to sub county inspection committee nikyo kikurukasia at the sub county level then yake to the main board yes
ankorie kwira popi pingi wona like kwena okay ni hoteli lakini ndene ina I think you to wines and spirit bakwende magira nchobio ikethere akwe na skuru tweme yokiria ba
ikakuthere ukwe na skuru
nyethira ina hoteli dene
kinyake ina hoteli dene it's also menya your premise no so bie kwa hoteli hoteli means ara kukwenderuirio na kukenderua nchobi na kwina kuntu kwa kumama yes
okay yes aya kwina nchobi ndegi watho kwina twabengi bombekia kwithira mbere buru mbere toba antobara bombekia kwithira bakiariria kenda bomba ukinyela ndenda wariria antobara pa uririte nchobi ne kwi anto barete buru kurekana jo chirua edwara view na nturene chietu ndenda opaira show once
and my ones buru brambo bakromba anto no especially most of them they are women the men most of them are women baraba datikanga wo tikankwelekeza tikangonela njedemwe they are also men but majority kinyokwenda kwelekenya disi tikiriwa these days sector business ya hanko they are taken by women more than men these days men are becoming less maybe also I'm a man. Men, I think men they are becoming less. Women they are the most upcoming when it comes on matters of business, especially in men. Inya nyumwerera tuthithietie sabi yetu ira tumbite kuthithia nende uni bura bobera mboba kwira ba mami betu na kinyata no cia na rosia bonde bura bakwini ginchi illicit brew remember uwerera rero kwandie nchobi mbi biro kuswa maybe ni mbesa kuswa mbesi weta kuthomethia cio mwana na bamwinde betite there are some have called here na tuamba kwa hariabo kurinya mama turare no the other day temu disclose no yesterday and see angry to amwate na mithoto 8 evangi tuike mwaro wako tinombere kuma na mama we yanda mwarithia ningo na mwira tafadhali wacha itavia ndaido murambe wetu tumia license kairi but aiko yari ku change na mwandika barua na twari ndamura what about i committee we next time to kuata kabisa nende tukuingira kabisa complete you see ndamwira no ntone nyanga bana na to hete kanye excellence reverend mutuma ntwe thingi aturite batu antu bawati ngui nitweria kabisa kukanzo muntu nyanga mturora rema kabisa urabona akurema kabisa nende uranke apera uinde bera utafadhali bamenye mbesira ba utwase kuthomethia bao chobire kethe kuthuki mono mutungi ukawata kirumi na kinya we mono yo kuomba kuthomethia mwana atanya university akawike mwanka PhD lakini wamuthia mwana no aere muntu amandara kulebya ati utethie kwanza kake yo usumbura ukakua kaba mbeta nyote mwikinya sukuru iriko ira wale lini mbio taija kintu kya muntu lakini lana nzobyo wendie mbia thuki ana bantu ithe kuthuki mono wini uyo kwenda abwe nguri wini woke thokibwa nzobyo wenda mono kwanyu nende woro tienda wo kwanywa thithie ki muntu ngura wenda kuthithirwa no kuigwa nende na barake bubu na biashara si kuimbigise kurita mono nyaka kenda wisie ngi lazima one mbesa ira mbingi there are some people bari ana mbesa kiasi na bakaturo bwa family cia ikaria boya ana baba kathoma boya na ana baba soka kuyo batethi na kinyabo baitethi nende ni benya ki business yenso biete kiri ni watho muntu akomboreka nyumba kawe akeja tu twamwira kombora kanyomba kagaku na twetigire twa license nibu kabera uni tafadhali mtoke mbire machibu yetu nayo ni yakase kamba uja kasite kabisa muntu tiri nzobi yomba kurua at the sub county at the sub location assistant chief ate mizimu toina nyumba 10 utenzobi yomba kurua at location level chief atisi atumo bairi bo benda nzobi karemera yes
haya ukatha kwa mtu kwenda kuringa report about it no ya ofisi ne
anakuja ofisi yangu akuje ofisi ya kwa miari ni open ofisi ya sub county administrator ni open ward administrator ni open wa sub county legal officer ni open bonga muritari ngire muritingo county government wende nyumwera na muringire we naringe report kiro na kona kinya batu tukuthikire report yewe ngabana wetu kinyo eto kari ate akuthikira neta kingabana ate atuthitange na okana meki mawasiri batu yari ndi tukana tuthikire temuntu oni de CEO ni oni ni kwa advocate kuketha tuthikire muntu ngetha take action ingwetegire ko munene wakwa tawaziri sisi na kwina munene wakwa deputy governor na kwina banginya ba chief of staff kwina county secretary pero kinyele nyanga bana nyaku ko zoro report ungwita kesi ugitonga aku ate kwenda ndikira na ate kwenda take action yes woni bungu advocate bu kabisa bu because amwia kuritangwe kwera mpei yes
okay thank you so much Gitonga ikona kanyaga gutwariria kwariria Miru na at least bamenye chobie kethira buru na uboneli ati babatere kwitha bakiaria kaita karamuntu bathito kona anturene nini antu bakiremero muno kinjirere kumuta batere kwithira akithia tire bo kendo gutira njobirero bachumbura bakwitha bakirenga report na ito kuisho the best ke rogendo rura kurwana na nchobie
thank you
aya kathasha mwanya muno kiwe mutegire Weru TV no ntubakona kanya gakwatana abatu kimubango yo andi na makwina mantomba kwithirwa kithoma na ukithiatira agwatuika kwina ntubo bwinyiletie bwege nchobi ndege watho nturene no kana kinya irabo birabiri akwina ababwe bomba kwithira abokiona njira ya kuthiatira ibo kenda buketha bukirenga report no tiri ibo kwithira bukithikirwa na gutetheka mbeto wini wa kinyero hithira wino tukububoya